When I became a parent, I thought that I had to get it perfect. And when I started to struggle being a parent, being a patient parent, all of a sudden I was thinking, that's it, I failed. There's really nothing else to do. I guess it's over for me. I've wrecked my kids, I failed. And one thing that really spoke to me is that someone said, it's not about getting parenting perfect. Resilience doesn't come from having a perfect parent. Resilience comes from the repair. A parent who's willing to sit down with their child and say, you know what, I'm really sorry I blew it. I'm sorry I lost my cool. You are more important to me than that. I'm sorry that I disappointed you. I'm sorry that I yelled at you. Resilience does not come when we have people who lead us who are perfect. Resilience comes when we have people who are willing to come beside us. Resilience is in the repair.